Hello YouTube and welcome to another MMD PMD tutorial. And before I get started with this video, I do need to address a few things. As I've mentioned in quite a few videos, I am in college and I do have a job. And I do graduate at the beginning of next year, so as you guys can imagine, my workload is absolutely ridiculous right now. And I did also have a minor computer crash that made me have to go back to a restore point that made me lose quite a bit of things. So because of that, unfortunately, I will not be able to withhold any of the promises that I made to anybody about working on models or helping them fix things, etc., etc. Again, I do apologize, but as of right now, the work schedule is just way too hefty. And I also will not be able to accept any request or anything at this time either. I am going to try to answer like comments and whatnot as quickly as I can, but even then I'm having trouble with that. I'm not getting to stuff for upwards to a month at a time. So again, I do apologize, and I will try to get to you as quickly as I can. Now that that stuff is out of the way, though, we can go ahead and start talking about this video. First of all, the reason why this video can be made is because it's going to be a very quick, probably 5, 6, 7 minute video. It's going to tell you guys how to save a model on PMD or PMX and then load it onto MMD. So this works the same exact way for PMD or PMX. What you want to do is once you are done making your model, you come to this box and go to File. Personally, I always do Save As, but you can do Save. Click Save As. Name it as whatever you want. Then click Save. If you're rewriting, if you're okay to rewrite, click the yes that comes up. And I'm not going to save this one. So then after you do that, go ahead and get your MMD up. And one mistake a lot of people make is they like to come up to this up here and try to open with something like this, but you actually don't click on that. You actually come down here to Model Manipulation, click on Load, find your model wherever it may be, and I'm actually using a different one. It's the same character, but a different clothes, and you go ahead and click it, and then this will come up, click OK, and then your model will come up. Then you click select, and I'm glad this actually happened because this will happen sometimes, especially if you keep opening and reopening and then opening and then reopening. Sometimes models come out a little funky. If it does, that's completely okay. Nothing to worry about. Just you can exit your MMD and bring it back up, and your models will usually come out fine after that. But so to get rid of a model, then you come back to here, you click delete, click OK, and then again you press load. And let me go ahead and I'll just get up the MMD version of myself, this is pretty inaccurate as of right now because I cut my hair. So yeah, it's load, click OK, and then your model should come up. And as you see, there's no issues with this one. That's really all there is to it. So while I'm still on this video really quick, the next video I do intend on making is about MM effects. A lot of people have asked me how I get my models to look the way they do, so that'll be in my next video. And as an example, this is what I mean. People ask me how I get them to look like this. I don't own these models. I will link where you can get these models, but these are just some examples of what I mean when people ask me how I like what effects and stuff I use. So if you are interested in the way that any of these look, then definitely stay tuned for the next video I have coming up for you guys. And I hope this video helped, and again, stay tuned for the next one.